Well, hello, fellow YouTubers. I'm gonna make a little video to explain to you how to make indicator lights when you have chance to only have left and right on the back with one light, with the brake lights. So when you're driving along and you're going to drive straight through and you hit the brakes, both lights are gonna burn. But when you want to go left or right at the same time, one light is going to blink for indicating you're going left or right, and one light is going to function as your brake light. Well, there are very expensive switches for this on tractors and other vehicles, you name it. But this is a very cheap and simple solution to make from this switch. This one goes onto a steering column from a tractor. This one has got 3 poles and of course left, none and right. So this switch is dead in my drawings. So this, I'm going to write it, is your indicator switch. So, and this one over here is your brake switch. So it's under your pedal from the brakes. And this one over here, that one over there, those are solenoids. You can buy them pretty cheap. I don't know what they cost eventually, but you gotta have the ones with 5 poles on there. So 2 of those are the spool and 3 of those are the contacts. You're gonna need 2 of these. And you're gonna need a signal relay. Because that one is gonna, it's eventually a blinker relay. The old ones got 2 poles. You got positive on the one side and positive going out to the blinkers on the other side. If there's current drawn from the relay, it's going to blink. So what happens here, if when you those of course are the lights, what happens here, if they're in, the relays are in neutral, they are on the common contacts, they are going to function as a brake light. So the power is going from here to there, right through there to the brake light and the other side as well. That's the that is the negative ground, that one, and that one too, and that is the negative of the spool. So what happens if you flip this switch like in this position? Well, it's going to, when you're going right, of course, in this situation, you're sending power to that relay, the spool over there, and this relay is going to be turned on. So this is going to be in that position, and that is not longer making contact. In this situation, the signal relay is going to be drawn power from to that indicator light. And that light is still going to be used, can be used as a brake indicator. And the other way around is all the same, of course. And if you going to release that again in the middle position, that is going to be in that position again, and both lights are working again as brake lights. So I hope this was simple enough for you. I'm going to leave this on for a few seconds now, so you can pause the film and print screen it if you want to build something like this. It's really cheap, and I think it's really simple to make. And so this is my idea of a cheap blinker slash brake light installation on your oldtimer vehicle. So very much luck with this.